Hi people, today we're at the Heritage Hotel in Torquay and my room is a sea view room, so let's take a look, shall we? So this is the doorway and there's your fire procedure, so you've got to do the not disturb sign, and yeah, it looks a big hallway. Ooh. Quite big actually. Got some bedside lamps. Oh yeah, double bed, wardrobe, an extra blanket up there and some hangers. Quite spacious. Radiator. Towels with soap and hair and body wash. We've got a Sky TV. Let's have a look at this. See if that comes on. Yeah. Works. Like I said, you've got Sky TV there as well. Got drawers. Nothing in them by the looks of it. No. Bag stand. And a lovely wicker chairs there. Let's have a look, shall we? So yeah. We've got a part sea view as such. So we've got sea view with a car park. So yeah. Let's see what it looks like with these ones, shall we? Yeah. So yeah. And then windows. Oh, opens like a door. Floor to ceiling, basically windows. I'm going to give this information book here. Tells you your breakfast menu. Get given a token for your breakfast. And when the bar's open, hotel information for your Sky. Things to do. Yeah, so there you go. And then got a desk, dressing table, got lights there. Let's see if this kettle's clean, reasonable. Yeah, it's reasonable. You get your milks, 3 milks there, 6 altogether. And some digestives and custard creams and tea, coffee, sugar. Your hairdryer, plug socket down there, bin. Nothing in these drawers. Oh, you've got the Bible there. There you go. Then you've got these desktop. No, a bit scratched. And yeah, don't look like there's any actual plug sockets by the bed though. No plug sockets. So you've got 2 plug sockets there. And a plug socket there, but none actually by the bed. Let's check this bed, shall we? So a mattress topper. Yeah, looks clean. take a look at the bathroom, shall we? Right. Ooh, that's quite nice. So you've got a window there that you can open. There's the shower head. Let's have a look. That looks quite clean. Looks like a bit of damp is ending up here on the ceiling though. A bit of mould. So yeah, that's all clean as well. And towel reel and yeah, shower mat for getting out the shower. See, that towel reel looks a bit rusty now as well. And then your toilet. Yeah, clean. Toilet roll. It's unusual, isn't it? No actual soap in here. Oh, of course, it's on the bed, isn't it? Is this the cabinet? Yeah. So you got a cabinet there as well. A nice little light and shaver's plug there as well. So yeah. So yeah, as you can see how big the corridor is. So yeah, so please give a like, subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe, because a few people think that you've got to pay to subscribe, but no, you don't. It's free to subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, give it a share. All helps with the algorithm of YouTube. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.